Imagine a world where everyone embraces self-love, cherishes their individuality, and nurtures a strong inner belief system. This is not a utopian dream, but an achievable reality through the 10 lessons from Good Vibes, Good Life. Our first lesson is about the importance of self-love. It's about accepting ourselves, flaws and all, and having the courage to work on becoming the best version of ourselves. Like a seedling, we must nurture our self-love, watering it with acceptance and courage, allowing it to bloom into the flower of self-confidence. The second lesson is about embracing gratitude. It's about being proactive in expressing thanks. Like a warm sunshine after a cold winter, it has the power to transform our lives and fill them with positivity. Our third lesson encourages us to believe in ourselves. It's about developing a robust internal belief system to define our goals. This belief is the compass that guides us through the vast ocean of life, helping us navigate towards our goals. The fourth lesson is about self-inspiration. Instead of seeking external validation, we should set our goals and take pride in ourselves. It's about lighting our own path, illuminating our journey with the torch of self-belief and pride. The fifth lesson is about finding joy in our own company. It's about learning to enjoy our own company, like a solitary bird soaring in the sky, basking in the joy of solitude. Celebrating our victories, big or small, is the sixth lesson. It's about acknowledging our achievements. Each victory, each achievement is a stepping stone on the path of life, deserving of celebration. The seventh lesson is about learning from our mistakes and forgiving ourselves. It's about viewing mistakes as learning experiences. Like a potter molding clay, we shape our lives through the lessons learned from our mistakes. The eighth lesson is about stopping comparison and seeking inspiration. It's about embracing inspiration over comparison. Instead of comparing our journey with others, we should find inspiration in their stories, using it to fuel our own journey. The ninth lesson is about redefining success. Society often defines success as material wealth, fame, or possessions. But true success is about personal growth, happiness, and achieving our goals. The final lesson is about embracing our uniqueness. It's about supporting our distinctiveness. Like a fingerprint, our uniqueness is our identity, and we should embrace it with pride. In conclusion, the 10 lessons from Good Vibes, Good Life guide us towards a better life. They teach us to love ourselves, embrace gratitude, believe in ourselves, inspire ourselves, enjoy our own company, celebrate our victories, learn from our mistakes, seek inspiration, redefine success, and embrace our uniqueness. These lessons are not just words, but a philosophy of life, a philosophy that can transform our lives from the ordinary to the extraordinary, leading us to a life filled with good vibes and good life.